Alright, it's Sunday. Somebody's got some really loud crap music. I don't know, Arabic music or something. Ouch. Stung by a bee on my foot there or something. I'm going to show my new Lions flag that we just got today. And we had to put it up and bring it out here out in Cass Lake. It's like 90 something degrees. I gotta talk loud before I can talk over that. I don't know if they would even call that music. I'd call it noise. All this is a bunch of jungle music, if you ask me. It's pretty bad. But Sunday and it's still busy out here as usual. I don't know if that's actual music. They just stockpile them in here, yeah? I guess it's music. I don't know what that is. It sounds like a bop, 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 bop. I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. I guess I'm showing my age. Retirement 2024. There's some of these houses back here. Not too far. This house right there had like 2 weddings or something there yesterday. I saw a bunch of brides with a bunch of wedding dresses on. I don't know what that's all about. That one right there. The lady on there relaxing right now. No, turn it off, please. Guy just came in. I'll go slow. I know it's so hard to go slow. Hopefully that noise is not gonna interrupt my video. Gotta go slow. Talking to myself too, you know. Pouring beer down that guy's throat. Back up a little bit. Yeah. Go blue. Go Lions. I don't know.
Amazon.
Amazon.
Amazon, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
You want to talk to her?
Where is she?
Right there.
Oh, here you are.
She's looking for you.
From Amazon. Okay. Just got it.
The Lions flag we just got. The Michigan flag we got in spring.
Oh, okay. Okay. But yeah, I got them from Amazon. Okay. We have a St. Barletta with the naughty bar and the flag. We just had the American flag up, but I was like, big championship fans. We were at the game now, so it was like, oh, the Michigan game? Yeah, I go, we gotta get one of those flags.
What a great game to go to.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
From last year. It was a great year.
Wow, it was a great year.
I graduated from Michigan. There's nothing like. I remember when I took my kids,
Now they're trying to keep us out of the playoffs.
when I took my kids to Ann Arbor once for the game. I'm like, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. And my son goes, Mom, we're in this kickoff. I go, the hell with kickoff? I gotta see the band come in. And he's like, that's funny you said that. My husband and I met in the marching band.
Oh, did you? Same year she was in there, weren't you? 82?
No. But I used to go, I was with a podcast. Okay. So I used to go and watch the game practice. I know how to do it. So yeah, walk over and watch the game practice. But I didn't see
Turn that stuff on, man.
That's right. Once your blood runs blue, man, your blood runs blue. Well, have a great day. I gotta go tell them I gotta go order a flag. Yeah.
Yeah, we just got the Lions flag today.
Bring it up on Amazon to show you.
And what we're gonna do is get another pole, and we're gonna have the American flag on one side and the Lions flag on the other side.
There you go.
And then the Michigan flag, of course, in the middle. We might get a big Michigan flag, depends. We're big Michigan fans.
Yeah.
Lions fans too, though.